Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Laughter, and I'm going to show you part 2 of how to make your paper butterfly knife. So, you take your piece of paper, fold it in half, just like with the handles. Cut it. Set aside one of your half a piece of paper. Take your half, fold it in half, take your glue, and glue it. Take your spreader and spread it out. Since this is the blade, you're going to want to use more glue than with the handles to make it thicker. Then you will have this. Fold that in half, and then glue this. Note, this may take longer to dry because it has more glue. Then take your other half and do the same thing. Then fold in half. Spread. Fold in half. And you will have two things that look like this. Take the drier one and take your pen, measure the two handles when they are side by side, making sure that the open spots are facing each other, and then measure it. Again, it should be 2.5 centimeters, and it is. Now, on your piece of paper, mark the 2.5 centimeter point, which should be right here, and then mark it on the 2 centimeter point, just half a centimeter less. And at the top, do it again and mark it on the 2 centimeter point. Then draw a line. Now something that looks like this. So it's just a piece of paper with a line on it. Then design your blade within the 2 centimeter points, the line to the outer side. You can do it however you want. I did my blade like this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's my blade. And then just cut your blade out. Your paper may still be wet, so be careful not to rip it. Once you have it all cut out, take your other piece of paper and then trace your blade out. Then cut it. And you should have two blades. Glue them together. Apply pressure to it so make sure that the glue dries quickly. Your finished product should be something like this. Blade looks pretty thick. Thank you for watching part 2, and I'll watch part 3 to see full assembly.